Hello, have you come across such an amazing maths question? Don't worry, today I want us to learn how we can solve it step by step. So let's now start with the solution. You can also pause the video so that we can compare our answers at the end of this video. So on our solution, this one is what we have. So we have 5 to the power of a plus 2 is equals to 60. So we all know that when you have a to the power of m plus n, this one can also be written as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So now we shall now have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 60. So when you work it out, 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 is 25 is equals to 60. So from here now, we want to remove this 25. So meaning that we shall divide both sides by 25. Then also this side we shall also divide by 25. 25 by 25 shall cancel. So that means that we shall remain with 5 to the power of a. So 5 to the power of a is equals to 60 all over 25. So the best way for us to solve this exponential equation by finding the value for a is now to introduce the log from both sides. So that means that now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 60 all over 25. So when you have, for example, when you have the log a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log a minus log minus the log of b. So similarly, we can now have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 60 minus the log of 25. So that's said and done. The log of 5 to the power of a, assume we have the log of p to the power of m. This one can also be written as m, the log of p. So the log of 5 to the power of a can also be written as a, the log of 5, which is equals to the log of 60 minus the log of 25. So that is said and done. Let us now remove the log of 5 so that we remain with a, because we are trying to solve the value for a. So that means that we shall divide both sides by the log of 5. Then also this side also we shall divide by the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So now our value for a is equals to the log of 60 minus the log of 25, then all over the log of 5. So now we shall have the log of 5 on this particular time now. So next now we shall split it by now dividing both sides by the log of 5. So our value for a is equals to the log 60 all over the log of 5, then minus the log of 25 all over the log of 5. So now we can say that, so when you factorize this part, you shall say that a is equals to, so the log of 60 can also be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 12, so into bracket all over, still divide by the log of 5, then minus the log of 25 can also be written as the log of 5 to the power of 2 all over the log of 5. So our value for a is equals to, so since it's some multiplication, we shall now have it by addition. So now we shall have log 5 plus the log of 12, then all over, so all this one now shall still divide by the log of 5. So all over the log of 5, then also this side all over the log of 5. Then minus the log of 5 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 5, then all over the log of 5. So let's now cancel the ones that are similar. So in this case now we shall say log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so that our value for a is equals to 1, then plus the log of 12 all over the log of 5, then minus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, then now shall have 2 on that particular end. So now our value for a is equals to, so value for a is equals to Or let's write the log of this one first. So the log of 12, which is now, it can be written as the log of, so this one can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 3, then all over the log 5 that way, then plus 1, then plus 1 minus 2. So our A is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 4 plus the log of 3, so all of them to the log of 5, then this one also to the log of 5, then plus 1 minus 2. So to conclude now, A is equals to, so now this one, now we shall write it as the log of 4 to the base of 5, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 5, then minus 1. So now this one now qualifies to be our value for A. So if you really loved how we work out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe.